stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tip-toe, tip-toe. Boo! Did I scare you? I hope not. We're gonna make witch's stew today. It's gonna be so yummy. So what are some things that you think you might put in witch's stew? I have my big pot here. Oh, did you say worm pieces? You did? Well, let's put some worm pieces in the pot. And let me have just a little nibble and I'll show you. This is a little worm piece. Yummy. And let's see, what else do you think we should put in our witch's stew? Did you say salty bones? Well, I just happen to have some salty bones. Let's put them in the pot. And, do you see what the salty bone? Tastes pretty good. Let's see what else we might put in there. Did you say frog eyes? Yep, I've got frog eyes to go in there. Let's dump the frog eyes in. Then here's a close-up of the frog eye. Now, let's see what else we've got here. Oh, stones. Yeah, I gotta have stones in the witch's brew. Let's see. Yep, there's a stone. It's gonna be so good. Let's see. Oh, dead fish. Are you sure you want to put dead fish in there? All right. Let's dump them in. And this is what the dead fish look like. Pretty tasty. Not bad at all. And bat toes. Ooh. Now that's really gonna add some spice to this witch's stew. Let me put in the bat toes. And there's a little close-up of the bat toe. And then, what is witch's stew without lizard gizzards? Have to have lizard gizzards in here. So let me put in the lizard gizzard. And this is what the lizard gizzard looks like. Really yummy. So when you get all the things in there, you're gonna stir it up. Sing with me. Stirring and stirring and stirring our stew. Woo, woo. Stirring and stirring and stirring our stew. Woo, woo. Tip-toe, tip-toe. Boo! I didn't scare you that time, did I? You knew it was coming. And I'll tell you how I like to eat my witch's stew. I like to get little ice cream cones, just the empty one, and put the stew in here. And the fun thing about eating your stew like this is when you get through eating all the little pieces in there, you can eat the cone. And there's no mess at all. And now, if you're allergic to peanuts, you don't have to put the peanuts in. You could put in, maybe marshmallows or something else. And let's say you're allergic to gluten. Well, you don't have to put the pretzels or the fish in. You could put in rice checks or a cereal that's gluten-free. So you can change these ingredients and put anything you want into your witch's stew. But it's just such a yummy, yummy snack. So before we go today, I want to tell you a story too. This is a story about a little old lady who lived in an orange house. And it was an orange house and it was shaped like half a circle with a chimney at the bottom. Now, this little old lady lived near a school and she just loved the children, and every day when they go by her house they would wave at her and smile at her, and she'd And they just thought she was a funny little old lady because her house was shaped like half a circle. Now she had a cat, and the cat's name was Spooky. And Spooky's tail would always get bumped when he went in and out the door. So she had the carpenters come, and they made a special door just for Spooky's tail so he could go in and out. And the little old lady had a pointed hat. And every time she went in and out the door, that pointed hat would fall off. So she had the carpenters come and do a special door for her too, so her hat wouldn't fall off. And she had 2 little pet birds. And the pet birds lived in the upstairs of her house. And she had a special window just for those little birds so they could fly in and out and in and out. Now, on Halloween night, all the boys and girls in her neighborhood came to her house and they knocked on the door. And she came to the door and she said, "Close your eyes." Surprise! It's a jack-o'-lantern. Halloween is coming when we'll be dressed in funny clothes, and then we'll see pumpkins in the windows shining bright. Oh, we'll have a good time on Halloween night. Happy cooking! Happy Halloween!